How to rate your Uber Eats order and delivery. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to rate your Uber Eats order and your delivery driver in just few simple taps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Uber Eats app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the orders icon which can be seen in the bottom right side of the screen. So simply tap on it. And now here, once you're inside the orders tab, simply find the order that you want to rate and here it must be completed. So look for the one that says delivered and there you'll see the option to rate your experience. So there just tap the number of stars that you want to give, 1 for poor and 5 for excellent. And here you can also write a short comment or select present feedback options like missing items, cold food or great delivery. And after that, Uber Eats may also ask you to rate the delivery person separately. So just follow the prompts and choose a star rating. And when you are done, you can just tap on submit or done, and after that, your feedback will be sent. And that's it. That's how you can rate your Uber Eats order and delivery. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.